Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got a REALME 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's tap on System Navigation, and as you can see here we've got two different options, and basically setting the gestures is really easy because we have to tap on this option. But before, just a quick disclaimer, because as you can see, if you want to leave the buttons option applied, you can customize it here. So we can reorder the buttons, you can change the position of the recent and the back button, and here you can decide whether you want to wake the Google Assistant with the home button. Up to you, of course. That was just a disclaimer. Let's set the gestures just by tapping on this animation. As you can see, your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial to learn the gestures. I don't want to do it because I already know, and I will also explain it to you. So let me simply turn it off, kind of. And as you can see, immediately instead the three buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. It's up to you whether you want to leave it like this, visible, or you can hide it. And I prefer to have this option turned on. Simply tap on the switcher, and as you can see, the line will disappear. You can also customize the gestures, so you can decide whether you want to feel the vibration on the back navigation. You can switch to previous apps, mistouch prevention. You can also learn the gestures if you want to go through the tutorial. So it's of course up to you. Right here we've got also the sensitivity option, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures. So for example, after a week, because you will be able to decide and understand why you want to change and those switchers. You will be able to set it on high, so as you can see, this blue area will be bigger, or on low, which is, as you can see, much smaller. Basically, this area is responsible for catching your back gestures. So as I said, it's up to you, but just come back to this option after a while of using the gestures. Alright, so right now a quick tutorial of how to use the gestures. If you want to get back to the previous page, all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and it does not really matter whether you will do it from the left or the right side, just like that. If you can see this arrow, simply release the finger, and as you can see, we will go back. I mean, we just got back. The same situation from the right side. If you want to get back directly to the home page, then all you have to do is to swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and it should be a quick and short motion, just like that. And as you can see, we've got the home page, and in order to open the recent, we have to swipe our finger from the bottom to the center. So again, the same motion, but this time elongated. So hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And after releasing, you can see that here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.